My name is Ross Leckow. I'm Deputy General Counsel at the International Monetary Fund, and I've been a member of the IMF's legal department for the past 27 years. I'd like to say first what a privilege it is for me to participate in this important initiative led by the United Nations Audiovisual Library of International Law. I'm deeply honored to contribute. I'd also like to begin by expressing my appreciation for my colleague, Ms. Natalia Stetsenko, Counsel in the Legal Department of the Fund, for her assistance in preparing this lecture. In my lecture, I would like to provide you with an overview from a legal perspective of the International Monetary Fund, its purposes, its governance and financial structure, and its principal functions.